My name is Rahul Singh. I am from Banaras, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my BTech from Electrical Department in 2021, and then I have start searching for a job. Then I have hear about Evision. Evision is a very good platform for a IT service. Before Evision joining, I have no idea about what is IT sector and what is the work in IT. The basic knowledge of IT sector I have no knowledge. Then I have started my fast track. Then I joined Evision and joined a fast track course. About 60 days, I have learned all the process. The communication, the learning process in Evision is very good. The small thing made clear. The sir, the faculty is very good. No problem in, and very thank you Sati ma'am and Sati ma'am for be cooperate with me, and the placement team like Priya ma'am is very good and support 24/7, no any problem. uh, and due to Evision I have selected in a LBS Technology Private Limited in Noida with salary package of 2.40 per year, and very thank you Evision. Evision, thank you Evision.